Welcome to the channel, MetCancer, Metabolic, Not Genetic. I'm your host, Vincent Gledhill. Now, would you like to share your story with me or with the rest of the world? Then why not get in touch? My email address is vincent@metcancer.com. Now, in today's video, Professor Seyfried shows a few reasons why cancer is not a genetic disease.
Yeah, well, the nuclear mitochondrial transfer experiments certainly are the most powerful evidence that it cannot be a genetic disease. But we also know that there are some cancers that have no mutations. People don't like to talk about that, but they're there. We and others have shown that that there are, and there are some carcinogens like asbestos that can cause cancer without causing mutations. So we have these things, and now we now know. The field had said there are only certain kinds of mutations that cause cancer, and they're called driver, these so-called driver gene mutations. That was considered the cause of cancer. But now, through newer experiments, we're beginning to see that normal cell, like you, a young lady, if we took a sample of various parts of your organs and did a genomic screen, we'd see these so-called cancer driver genes already expressed, but you don't have any cancer. So so the very driver genes that are supposed to cause cancer are found in normal tissues that never have cancer. But the nuclear transfer experiments are the most powerful because there's where you can take the nucleus of the cell, which is supposed to contain the mutations, and take that nucleus and put it into another cell where a normal cell where the normal nucleus was removed and the cytoplasm containing the normal mitochondria are there. And you take that cancer nucleus and put it into that cell, and then take that cell and put it into a mouse or a rat to see whether or not it forms cancer. And the answer is it does not form cancer, even though it has the tumor nucleus there. On the other hand, if you take the normal cell and remove the nucleus of the normal cell and put it into a tumor cell where the nucleus of the tumor cell has been removed, so you're putting the nucleus of a normal cell into the cytoplasm of a tumor cell, and then put that into the rat, that grows like crazy. So that becomes the tumor. So what it says is the origin of cancer is not in the nucleus with the gene mutations. It's in the cytoplasm with the mitochondria. So the mitochondria in the cytoplasm are the controllers controllers of quiescence, or the drivers of dysregulated cell growth. So clearly, we know the origin of cancer is not a nuclear genetic disease. I went through the entire scientific literature and put all those independent experiments together in one composite paper that makes it the only way you could think that cancer is a genetic disease is through dogmatic ideology or cognitive difficulty. So there's no way any rational human mind would have to sit there and say cancer cannot be a genetic disease.
That'll do it for today. Please like the video if you did. Please see metcancer.com/support for ways that you can support my efforts spreading this vital message. You can click here to subscribe or to gain some more knowledge by watching this video over here.